Hello friends, Namaskar. Digital India, Panchayati Raj, voting age reduced to 18, telecom revolution. When all these things are talked about or they come to our mind, there is one name that comes to our mind. That is late Sri Rajiv Gandhi ji. Sri Rajiv Gandhi ji pioneered development and reforms in the country. He was the computer man of India. He dreamt of an India that was much ahead of its time. Today we are living his dream. Today everyone who has a mobile phone in his hand uses a computer is actually because of Rajiv Ji's contribution. He empowered the people of India. He changed various policies of education. He changed the voting right age to 18 from the age of 21. He empowered the youth of the country. He empowered the women of the country. He made democracy more meaningful for one and all, taking democracy to the people at the bottom of the table. From PM to DM, those were what he planned to do. Today, everyone is empowered. His education policy changes made sure that more and more people get educated, more people get into the system of education and benefit from the education system that we have. He built the Panchayati Raj system. He introduced computers. He introduced PCOs. He made connectivity possible. Today, people are connected to their loved ones over video calls and whatnot. There was a time when people used to make trunk calls, which were very difficult to get hold of. But in the 80s, Rajiv Gandhi brought in PCOs. He empowered the people through connectivity solutions. He brought in the telecom revolution in the country. The mobile phones that were first introduced in the country in the early 90s were only possible because Rajiv Ji dreamed of it. He dreamt of taking India into the new millennium, advanced and like a superpower. Today the world looks up to India because it sees India as a potential superpower. That is not been possible without Rajiv Ji's efforts. Rajiv Ji's efforts were the most instrumental thing that made India self-reliant, that made India a superpower. His policies ranged from education, agriculture, women empowerment, youth empowerment, and whatnot. He worked hard towards bringing the power to everyone. He worked towards making India Atmanirbhar. He worked hard towards making the dream of everyone come true. He worked hard to make India become what everyone aspires to be. He wanted everyone to get what the world is getting everywhere. He wanted technology, digital communications to come to everyone. He wanted everyone to have access to technology, access to power, access to governance. He wanted people to join the world revolution, that internet, computers, telecom revolution that was happening all over the world. He wanted India to be part of the growth that the world was witnessing. Because of his efforts today, Indians are actually much advanced than what they were. Being the Prime Minister of India, he worked hard in his 5 years, delivered the highest growth rate of GDP of over 10%, which has not been paralleled yet by any other PM. India was lucky to have him as our Prime Minister, but unfortunately we could not have him for long. Just imagine if he was the Prime Minister of India today, how much advanced our country would have been. Our country would have been really much more developed, much more of a superpower, and should have been much more ahead of its time. He always thought 20 to 30 years ahead of the current time. He thought of a mobile revolution, a digital revolution in the 80s. He worked hard to empower the people. His main idea was to empower the country so that everyone feels empowered. His hard work was visible, and even today it is visible, because even today when we see people using technology, it is only because of his efforts, because of his dedication and hard work with which he brought this kind of empowerment to the people. Today, on his 76th birth anniversary, on this Sadbhavna Divas, Let's pay tribute to him, to the great man who brought respect to the country in more ways than one. He was a great man, a great prime minister, a gentleman, a statesman who worked hard to his potential, who never got tired. He tirelessly worked for everyone. He got respect globally. He got a standing ovation from both the houses of the US Congress when he addressed them. Such things do make our chest swell with pride. We miss you, Rajiv ji. You were our gem. You were our Bharat Ratna. Thank you for all that you have done for the country. Thank you for the digital revolution. For every other work that you have done. Thank you for making the government transparent. Thank you for taking steps towards making everyone feel they are part of a great country.